Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video you will get to know about how to register a free domain and manage it using Route 53. To register a free domain, head to this website FreeNom.com. I'm going to put the link in the description. I've already created my account, so I'm going to click on sign in, enter your username and password and click on login. Once you're logged in, you can click on services and register a new domain. Here you can search for your domain. You will have to do a little bit of work searching for domain names. I was not able to get the domain that I searched for, but I finally got cloudlab.gq. So I'm going to select this. As you can see, it says free. I'll select. As you can see, I do have cloudlab.gq, which is selected. I'm going to click on checkout. Now here for this particular domain, it shows me that this domain is available to me for 3 months. For some other domains that you may search for, you will also get a chance to select the period, and you can select 3 months, 6 months, 9 months or 12 months. That's 1 year. So that's the max period that you can get as and when you try to select for this free domain. I'll go ahead and I'm going to select continue. That's it. From here, now I'm going to check out. I will click on complete order. Once you're done with the checkout process, you can click on services and click on my domains under it. And under my domains, you'll be able to find your domains that you've already registered. This is the domain that I'm going to use as a demo to show you how to manage the domains in Route 53. So let's open up the management console, put in my credentials and click on sign in. From here, I'm going to proceed on to Route 53. That's the dashboard of Route 53. I'm going to continue on to and select hosted zones. I already have 2 hosted zones here. One that I'm using for private purposes, that is the domain name that I have described here will be used within VPC, within the confines of VPC. And the second one is public. I'm going to create a third one, a third hosted zone to show you the demo. And the domain name that you're going to specify, that is cloudlabs.tk. If you want to put in description, since you're going to use this domain for routing the traffic on the internet, you need to keep it selected as public hosted zone. Private is only used for routing the traffic within Amazon VPC. So select public hosted zone and click on create hosted zone and make a note of the name servers that it specifies over here. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it and keep it in Notepad, or maybe if you're using TextEdit or VS Code, whatever editor you may have. Proceed to the management page of FreeNom. Again, you need to be in my domains and your domain should be visible. You are going to select manage domains. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to click on management tools, select name servers. And for name servers, you'll find that it has use default name server selected. You're going to click on use custom name servers, and you need to specify all the name servers that you have copied. So I'm going to do that one by one. Now, once you've pasted all the name servers that you've copied before, you can click on change name servers. So once changing of the name servers is completed, you'll find that it says changes saved successfully. That confirms that the job is done. And I'm going to verify using dig utility. So I'm going to say dig space plus trace, and I'm going to trace for cloudlabs.tk. What I need as the confirmation is the name servers that I have defined over here are the same name servers which are being shown. That means now Route 53 provided name servers are resolving the IP details. Let's verify this once more by creating a record in Route 53. So I'm going to keep my cloudlabs.tk domain selected and I'm going to say create record. So I'm going to say test record test.cloudlabs.tk. And this is just for verification, so I can use any address. If I try to resolve test.cloudlabs.tk, it must provide me the answer as 1.1.1.1. So I say dig plus trace test.cloudlabs.tk. And if I can show you, here it shows the record. That concludes managing the domain using Route 53. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share the video. If you want to learn about a specific topic, please mention in the comment box.